Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure trust with Trustpilot, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Trustpilot website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary information, including your email address and password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, set up your business profile. Add essential details about your company, such as name, website, and location. Upload your logo and any relevant images to enhance your profile. Customize your profile with a brief description of your services. Next, choose how you want to collect reviews from customers. You can send review invitations via email or share a link directly. Make sure to personalize your message to encourage responses. Expect to receive notifications each time a new review is submitted. Respond to reviews promptly, whether they are positive or negative. Show gratitude for positive feedback and address any concerns in negative reviews. Use the insights provided by Trustpilot to improve your services. Regularly monitor your review score and overall reputation on the platform. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Highlight your Trustpilot ratings on your website and marketing materials. This will help build credibility and trust with potential customers. Remember to stay compliant with Trustpilot's guidelines regarding reviews. By following these steps, you'll effectively secure trust with Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.